Where to find the mask tool and how to use it using the YouCut Video Editor app with the latest 2025 update. So if you're looking to achieve something like this here with 2 videos fused together or 3 videos, the mask tool will do just that. So let's get started. To make use of the mask tool, you will need to understand that it is only available when you have a video overlay inserted. So on your base video, you won't have access to the mask tool, but if you add a video using the PIP tool here, when you do this here, let's just say I want to add maybe any one of these here. I want to go ahead and add this one here, and I will fill it up. I'll fill the entire video just to give you an idea of how it works. And you're going to look for this tool here. See where it says mask? That's the mask tool. And once you select it, this basically gives you a set of options, whether it's the line here, and you'll notice how that separation happens here. You got the mirror one here, you got the circle one here, square, heart, star. All right, now this is going to work depending on what you're looking to achieve for the video you're editing. And mask works best especially when you're trying to fuse 2 videos or 3 videos together, or maybe even a split screen video. So this tool right here in the middle right there, that is your rotating tool. If you have selected the line option, that's going to spin that around here for you. Like this here, you'll see this is happening, all right? And maybe I wanted to have the 2 videos played together at the same time, but kind of fused into each other, all right? So maybe I want the base to have the water, and you can adjust the yellow bar here. You can bring it up or down. And this is just using the line option here. And then this will give you your fade in of the 2 videos. Notice how it's kind of fading in like this here, all right? Now you can press the X to not save it or just none. And maybe I wanted to go with perhaps, I guess, the circle option, just to give you an idea of how that works. So this is gonna work great for if you just planted to put a small area of the video that you have added as an overlay to appear here, and then maybe have it fade into that other video. So I'll show you now when I play it, you'll notice this is playing here with that playing in the background. So this, if you put it to good use, it would give you many creative ways of creating a video. And this also works for stickers that are inserted, photos that are inserted. You can use the mask tool as well, all right? And of course, as always, if you do want to make a change to it, just go back to the mask and make changes to it, or go with none. Or if you reach to the point where you already made the edits, you can always go ahead and use the undo option to undo your mask, okay? And that's that. Like and sub.